Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL C33 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's find the reset options, which will be at the bottom of the list again, and then tap on this first option. Here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so as you can see, the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, so all the network. Let's tap on reset settings if you are ready, and here we've got also the information that this operation cannot be undone. So just tap on reset settings, and as you can see, we've got this information that the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.